Eddie,
Hi.
thank you very much for agreeing to do a video for me.
Right.
You had your roof refurbished and insulated by Conservatory Insulation Specialists. So how would you describe the process overall?
It was excellent. The staff who done the work were absolutely excellent. They came here, they completed in a day, they done an excellent job, and they left it perfectly clean, and I'm really pleased with it.
Good, brilliant. And would you say you've noticed a temperature difference since you've had it done?
The temperature difference is really good. There's an electronic thermostat in the corner in here, and there's one at the other end of the front room.
Yeah.
And whereby the door to the conservatory was always closed, the door's been left open, and of a morning the temperature in the conservatory and the temperature in the front room are exactly the same, maybe 0.02 of degree difference, but otherwise they're the same. So
yeah,
it's
brilliant.
been successful and worked excellently well.
Yeah, so you're able to sit out here without...
You can use it at any time now. It's
yeah.
Excellent. Yes.
Good. Brilliant. And would you recommend us to family and friends?
I would recommend you, yes, very, very strongly. It's an excellent job, and the company were excellent. They kept in touch, let me know what they were doing, and we were very pleased with the results.
Good. Brilliant. Okay, well, thank you very much, Eddie.
Okay,
thank you.
Thank you.